po ni Edward Porocan.
Sa bagong panahon. Hindi ko lang siya masasabi ko eh.
Okay, ako i-translate. Okay, mag-challenge ko din. I'll translate it for you, Edward. Is it possible for you and Maymay to be more than friends soon?
Ang masasabi ko po, ang Diyos ang nakakaalam. Kung yan may mangyayari, hindi mangyari.
Quiet, please. Let's hear out the answer of Edward. Again.
That's right, correct.
If it's meant to be, it will be. Let time dictate their, kung sila ba talaga. We have one question from this side, please.
Hello, my